So here we have a compound shape that's made up of a rectangle and a semicircle, and we are being tasked with finding the area, and we have to round our final answer off to one decimal place. So let's go about it. First of all is to find the area of the rectangle, because that's the easiest. We can see here that it's 5 centimeters long. We know the formula is area equals length times width, right? So we know it's area equals length of 5 multiplied by the width. Now we don't know the width exactly, but we're given a clue here because the radius of the circle is 2 centimeters. So from here to here is 2, from here to here is 2, so that means it's 4 in total to one side, so it's multiplied by 4, so area is going to equal 20 centimeters squared. So that bit there is going to be 20, and I just need to figure out this semicircle. So the area of a circle is area equals radius, pi radius squared. So area equals pi, radius is 2, and that's going to be squared. And I can use my calculator to do all the heavy lifting. So I'm going to go pi times radius squared equals, it's going to be 12.5, and I have to divide that by 2 because this is only half of a circle. So divide that by 2. So I'm going to do that now. So divide it by 2. I end up with 6.2 equals 6 point, what was that again? 283. So 283. Round it to one decimal place. So the cutoff's here. So area equals 6.3. and it's centimeters, okay, squared. And so I go, this here is 6.3, so 20 plus 6.3. So the final answer is area equals 26.3. It's centimeters, it's squared, finished.